Krishna and Danavit Pranam everyone. Thank you for joining. And today is a very special day. As we all know, today is Radhashtami. It's Srimati Radharani's appearance day. And it's our Ai's birthday. So I wanted to make a small video. मैं बस इतना कहना चाहती हूँ, जो भी कहना चाहती हूँ, that it's just few words from my heart for Radharani, and she's our mother. She's my Ai. Because of my Guru Maharaj, I got way more close to Radharani, and I want to thank my Guru Maharaj for that. I just want to say today on this day that we can't express in words who she is for us. She is that silent voice, that silent person, that silent energy, that silent everything, in our lives, where she does everything in silent without telling that it's her. We would think it's, Krishna is doing something, but behind that there are endless क्या बोलते हैं उसे, प्रयत्न, endless amount of actions taken by Radharani behind the scenes, where Krishna sees us after that. Radharani is endlessly pushing us towards Krishna without even telling us, without even that is how mothers are. वो बचपन में हम पापा से डांट खाने वाले रहते हैं तो मम्मा आके बीच में बचाती है कि अरे जाओ देना, like just leave it. That's how Radharani is. If we are doing this much, she will say that we are doing this much. So a mother, you can't imagine how much she's waiting for us, because we understand, वो कहते हैं ना, when we become a mother we understand what a love for a child is. And Radharani is our eternal mother. सब लोग उन्हीं के बच्चे हैं. Everything is coming from Radharani. Everyone is coming from her. So we need to understand, when we are in separation, how much Vedana, how much pain that mother must be in, when she's away from her child. And that is what I'm, when I made a video for the Janmashtami, I said that extremely painful for them, that to see us suffer on this material planet. Extremely painful, and especially for Radharani, So I just want to make this video that we promise her that जब वो कृष्ण हरि के सामने हमारी तारीफ करने के लिए जाते हैं, तो जो वो इतनी सारी तारीफ करते हैं, जब हम इतना सा करते हैं सर्विस या भजन या कीर्तन, तो वो इतनी सारी तारीफ करते हैं, उसके लिए, उसकी लाज रखने के लिए हमें सीरियस होना है. राधारानी का जो हमारे लिए समर्पण है, प्रेम है, जो सैक्रिफाइसेस है, जो इतना वेट है, जो इतना ईगरली वो वेट कर रहा है, उसे ख़त्म करने के लिए, वो वेट को ख़त्म करने के लिए हमें एक प्रॉमिस करना है कि राधारानी, मैं बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ और मैं बहुत ही सैड हूँ दैट आई हैव वेस्टेड सो मैनी लाइफ टाइम्स, एंड बिकॉज द रॉन्ग यूज़ ऑफ माई फ्री विल मैंने इतना ये वेट को कंटिन्यू किया है, गलत मार्ग चूज़ करके, चॉइसेस चूज़ करके, एंड नाउ that's enough. I want to choose Krishna, I want to choose you, I want to choose Guru Maharaj, and please give me the strength to go ahead in this spiritual journey and become very serious. तो जब हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमें सिंसियरली साधना भक्ति में आगे बढ़ना है, then Krishna sends us Guru Maharaj, then Krishna sends us that power, that ability to think, that intuition, the many other things, then Radharani is very happy, Krishna is very happy. So today, on this special day, I just want you all to promise our mother, our eternal mother, that we will become more serious, more sincere, एंड जो भी आप हरि के सामने, कृष्णा के सामने हमारी तारीफ़ करते हैं, उसकी लाज रखेंगे, उसकी जो भी आप कहते हैं उस पर हम कोशिश करेंगे कि उसका थोड़ा सा भी हम अपने लाइफ में वो सीड प्लांट कर सके, जो आगे जाके भक्ति में हमें इट पुशेस अस टूवर्ड्स हरि एंड राधा रानी. एंड दैट्स व्हाट. हम नामस्मरण सिर्फ 16 माला करने के लिए नहीं करना है. We have to connect to Krishna through the names. We have to serve all the devotees, follow 4 regulative principles, sincerely make choices based on whether this will bring me close to Radharani and Krishna. Make choices according to that. Don't make choices according to whether this will bring me towards Maya Devi. If we choose something which will bring us close to Maya Devi, should not be our choice. Krishna and Radharani has chosen us over and over again. They have not left us. They haven't left us. They are eagerly waiting for us, and now it's our chance to keep on choosing Krishna over and over and over again. Keep on choosing Radharani over Maya Devi, and just give this one lifetime to Krishna, as Srila Prabhupada says. And so many lifetimes we've given to Maya Devi, one lifetime for Srimati Radharani and Krishna. This was a small video for our Ai, who always saves us, protects us, and silently moves in a way that she doesn't tell us that she has done so many things for us, but that's how a mother is, right? She secretly always protects us, always guides us. Whatever intellect I have today, we have today, it is just because of Radharani and her presence within us, her strength, her energy. She's so merciful that हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. एंड इतने बार उन्होंने हमारी गलतियों को माफ़ किया है, इतने बार हमें मौके दिए हैं, पर इस बार उन्होंने जितने बार हमें फॉरगिव किया है, जितने बार हमें सर आँखों पे बिठाया है, उसकी लाज रखते हुए वी हैव टू प्रॉमिस हर टुडे ऑन दिस स्पेशल ओकेजन दैट I know you love me a lot, Radharani. I know you're waiting for us, and I promise, as a good child of yours, I will always try my level best to serve all your devotees, become sincere in my devotional service, and chant Sri Hari's name with all my heart. Try to see Krishna's presence in everyone, and try to make my Guru Maharaj happy. So this was a small video for Radhashtami. Happy Radhashtami to everyone. May Radharani bless you all with so much love and devotion towards Hari, Radharani and Guru Maharaj. Hare Krishna.